Welcome back to my channel, How to Research the Keywords by Helium10. Helium10 is a powerful suite of tools designed for Amazon sellers to optimize their product listings and research keywords. Here is a more in-depth guide on how to use Helium10 for keyword research. Sign up for an account. To use Helium10, you will need to sign up for an account. You can sign up for a free trial or select a paid plan based on your needs. Access the Keyword Tracker tool. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Keyword Tracker tool. This tool is designed to help you research and evaluate keywords related to your product. Enter your target keyword. Begin by entering your target keyword or phrase into the Keyword Tracker tool. This could be a single word or a phrase that you think potential customers may use to search for a product like yours. Analyze keyword data. Helium10 will provide you with data on the monthly search volume, estimated sales, and competitiveness of your target keyword. This data will help you evaluate the potential impact of ranking for this keyword. Research related keywords. The Keyword Tracker tool will also provide you with a list of related keywords that you can use to expand your research and identify additional keywords to target. Evaluate keyword relevance. It is important to consider the relevance of each keyword to your product and target audience. Helium10 provides data on the relevance score, which is based on the frequency of the keyword in product titles, bullet points, and product descriptions. This will help you identify keywords that are likely to be used by potential customers. Identify low competition keywords. Look for keywords with a low level of competition that you can target with your product listing. Helium10 provides data on the competition score, which is based on the number of sellers targeting a keyword. A lower competition score means that there is less competition for that keyword, and you may have a better chance of ranking well for it. Use keyword lists. Helium10 provides you with the ability to create keyword lists, where you can save keywords that you have researched and want to target. This will help you keep track of your research and stay organized. Utilize other Helium10 tools. In addition to the Keyword Tracker tool, Helium10 provides several other tools that can help with your keyword research, such as the Keyword Explorer, which provides suggestions for keywords that you can target, and the Magnet, which helps you identify the most relevant keywords for your product. Optimize your product listing. Once you have identified the keywords that you want to target, use this information to optimize your product listing. Make sure to include your keywords in the title, bullet points, and product description. This will help you rank well for these keywords and increase your visibility to potential customers. By following these steps, you can use Helium10 to research and identify keywords that are relevant to your product and that you can target to drive more traffic and sales to your Amazon listing. Remember to regularly re-evaluate your keywords and make updates to your product listing to stay ahead of the competition and continue to drive traffic and sales.